and Escola Joan, Sanpera, Torras, working together for a World Water Day.
River Pole, River Congos.
Connections!
River Po and River Congo starting north. In Brandizzo, we have the River Po.
In los Franqueses del Vallès, we have the Rio Congost.
Brandizzo is near the source of River Po. Les Franqueses is near the mouth of the River Congo.
In the past, the water from both rivers was used to power textile factories. But rivers have mills along their course.
Hello everyone, let's celebrate World Water Day.
It's the 22nd of March.
Now let's talk about the importance of water. No water, no life.
Water is important for the body.
Water is important because it gives life.
Water is important for nature and plants.
Water is important to produce food and cook it.
Water is important to wash yourself.
Water is a large part of our planet.
We can't live without water.
Bye!
Now we are going to explain different actions to reduce water consumption. Use the dishwasher with a full load. I use eco programs with dishwasher. I think stops, pipes, and toilets.
While I brush my teeth, I turn off the tap.
Keep an eye on water on dripping.
Preserve water for a better future.
Take a shower instead of a bath.
I don't throw plastics on the ground.
I avoid throwing trash.
Plastic bottle in the sea.
I avoid wrapping
Presents in plastic.
I don't use plastic.
Straw the drink.
Keep the sea plastic free.
Less plastic, more life.